Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're looking for an external hard drive that is heavy duty and is at a great reasonable price and has tons and tons of storage, highly recommend this one by my book. This thing has 8 terabytes, and as you can see, it's actually super discreet. It's very nicely done. It's easy to and compact, so you can like pack it and go if you need to travel, and you take everything with you. I absolutely am impressed with this little external hard drive. It does the job. Everything that I do when it comes to editing, and I don't want to put that storage on my laptop, I send it straight to the F file, which is my book, and it's secure, taken care of, and I got tons and tons of space. So this little baby, I highly recommend it. Can't work without it. And that's my point of view.